In this video, we will show you how to perform general maintenance on your Automower robotic lawnmower and fence door. Before you start, turn off the mower and disconnect from any power. You'll also want to wear protective gloves while performing any maintenance on your mower. You should inspect your blades and blade disc weekly, making sure the blades are still sharp and the disc spins freely. In general, your blades may need to be replaced every 3 to 6 weeks. But once you figure out how fast your blades are wearing down, you can decide how often to replace them. You should only use Husqvarna blades for your Automower, as they've been specially designed to work with our mowers. And every time you change the blades, you should also replace the screws, as they can wear down as well. To ensure a balanced cutting system, all 3 blades and screws should be replaced at the same time. To replace your mower blades, begin by placing the mower upside down on a soft and clean surface. Rotate the skid plate until the holes line up with the screws for the blade and remove the screws using a screwdriver. Remove the 3 blades and set to the side. Install your new blades and screws by screwing them into the holes on the disc and making sure they can spin freely. Finally, use a soft bristle brush to clean the skid plate, removing any loose debris. If your Automower fence door is not working properly and you've cleared any obstructions, you may need to change the batteries. First, use a T25 screwdriver to remove the battery access cover on the fence door. Then, replace all the old batteries with new D-alkaline batteries, making sure to replace them all at the same time. Now your Automower and fence door should be ready to go. For more detailed information, please consult your owner's manual. A copy of your owner's manual can be found online at husqvarna.com.